Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience using SmartWriter.ai. Your mileage may vary. SmartWriter.ai is a platform located at https://www.smartwriter.ai that offers a powerful suite of tools for crafting personalized outreach messages. It leverages the power of AI to generate compelling content designed to boost your connection rates and ultimately drive conversions. Whether you're focusing on sales outreach, LinkedIn connection requests, or backlink requests, SmartWriter.ai provides customized templates and automated processes to streamline your workflow. The platform excels at creating highly personalized messages by drawing information from various online sources, allowing you to tailor your communication to each individual recipient. This in-depth personalization goes beyond simple name insertion. It delves into the recipient's background, interests, and recent activities, allowing you to establish a genuine connection from the outset. SmartWriter.ai aims to significantly reduce the time and effort required for crafting effective outreach messages, while simultaneously increasing their impact. The platform's intelligent algorithms analyze publicly available data to generate unique and relevant content that resonates with the target audience. Furthermore, SmartWriter.ai provides features designed to manage and track your outreach campaigns, offering valuable insights into their performance. By automating repetitive tasks and providing data-driven feedback, SmartWriter.ai empowers users to optimize their outreach strategies and achieve better results. So, if you're looking for a way to enhance your outreach efforts and personalize your communications at scale, SmartWriter.ai may be a valuable tool to explore. Remember to check the description for the link and let me know what you think in the comments below.